పెళ్ళైనా పండగైనా వేడుక ఏదైనా పట్టుచీరల ప్రత్యేక వేదిక వారాహి సిల్క్స్ సాంప్రదాయానికి సౌందర్యానికి వారధి.
So extending a warm welcome, the Republic of India extends a very, very warm welcome to the President of the Republic of Indonesia, Mr. Prabowo Subianto, our chief guest for India's 76th Republic Day celebrations, arriving here along with the President of India.
गणतंत्र दिवस समारोहों पर ये विशेष अवसर देश की माननीय राष्ट्रपति जी का आगमन और उनके साथ हमारे मुख्य अतिथि इंडोनेशिया के राष्ट्रपति श्री प्रबोवो सुबियांतो.
India and Indonesia, two nations that share millennia-old cultural and trade links with shared religious traditions of Buddhism and Hinduism, and a strong treaty of friendship and strategic partnerships. In fact, India and Indonesia's multifaceted partnership stands as a cornerstone of regional security, economic growth and cultural diplomacy, with both nations well positioned to enhance their global outreach. A beautiful day in the capital and the welcome warmth of the sun echoing the warmth and friendship between the two nations.
भारत ने जब अपना पहला गणतंत्र दिवस मनाया था तब भी इंडोनेशिया के राष्ट्रपति हमारे मुख्य अतिथि थे और आज 75 वर्ष बाद ये एक सुखद संयोग है कि इंडोनेशिया के ही राष्ट्रपति भारत के इस गणतंत्र दिवस समारोह पर मुख्य अतिथि हैं. इस बार का समारोह संविधान के लागू होने के 75 वर्ष पूरे होने पर विशेष फोकस के साथ ही जन भागीदारी भी इस बार के समारोह के केंद्र में है. इस वर्ष समारोह का थीम स्वर्णिम भारत, विरासत और विकास है.
So as a part of the special invitees, we have a huge delegation from Indonesia, and of course we'll have their band and their marching contingent. And they have some beautiful memories and pictures to take back with them. And now the national anthem, the 21-gun salute, and the unfurling of the national flag. The commandant of the President's bodyguard, Colonel Amit Birwal, giving the command, the PBG or the President's bodyguard, moving on, making way now for the parade to begin. And with the 21-gun salute and the strains of the national anthem still lingering in this sunny January morning, the celebrations have just begun. Culture, creativity, camaraderie. We will see them interweaving to sew a tapestry that will take us into the past, foreground the present and herald the future. And the tricolour, of course, our national symbol, adorning different places and spaces today, a symbol of national pride, fluttering proudly.
राष्ट्रपति अंगरक्षक प्रस्थान कर रहे हैं कर्तव्य पथ से और अब ये मंच तैयार है